Hey, welcome back. Let's take a look at how to name ionic compounds. So as we look at ionic compounds, first let's take a look at the simplest possible compounds that we can have. These are called binary compounds. Binary meaning two, as in there are only two parts. And the parts in this case would only be two elements. Two elements are all we're going to have, and they'll be broken into two parts. A metal, which will come first, and then a nonmetal. The metal will always have a positive charge, and we will refer to it as a cation so that you know that is specifically what we're talking about. The nonmetal will have a negative charge, and we will refer to it as an anion. So once again, the first part will be the metal, such as Na, and the second part will be the nonmetal. In this case, we'll use Cl. The metal is going to keep the name that appears on the periodic table. In this case, Na would be sodium. The nonmetal is going to change and drop the last part of its name, and will replace the last part with the ending IDE. Let's take a look at an example. NaCl. Na is going to be sodium. It does not change. And Cl, we are going to call chloride. Notice it's IDE. The actual ending is INE for chlorine on the periodic table. So we change that last part to IDE. NaN, we'll put a 3 here on the Na. Notice that there are in fact 3 sodiums in this compound. There will be no change in the name though. I will still call it sodium. The N is going to be called nitride. If we looked it up on the periodic table, we would see OGN, which we have changed here to call it nitride. Okay, let's take a look at some more examples. Boron would become boride. Carbon will become carbide. Nitrogen will become nitride. and chlorine will become chloride. That's it for naming binary ionic compounds. See you next time. Bye-bye.